Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, drone camera market was valued at 10.5 billion United States dollars in 2023 and is expected to grow at CAGR of over 14% between 2024 and 2032. The market will cross 35 billion United States dollars valuation by 2032, as per a report by Global Market Insights. Advancements in drone technology and expanding use in environmental and wildlife monitoring are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on end-use industry, the agriculture segment is expected to register a CAGR over 15% over the forecast period. Based on type, the HD cameras segment is projected to account for the largest share in the global market with a revenue of over 15 billion United States dollars by 2030, says this GMI report. Regionally, North America dominated the global drone camera market in 2023, accounting for a share of over 35%. Key players in the drone camera market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.